We are heading to Skopje Central Bus Station. We've read that there's buses about every hour and a half to go up to the Matka Canyon.
We're looking for bus number 60, but we've got another 20-minute walk and the bus leaves in like 23 minutes. So we're on a time crunch. So we made it just on time, and I'm pretty sure this bridge structure here is the bus station. Underneath is the buses, and on top is the trains. So we've got to find bus number 60.
Bus storage.
Bus storage. Yeah, by the looks of it, by the looks of it, that's just a bus storage area and a bit of a car park. So to find the buses that we need, you got to come down this end. So after a bit of confusion, I think we're in the right spot. Past the tour buses now into like this final section of the bus station is where you'll find it, and you're looking for a number on the wall that has 60. That's how you know where yours is. And then you got to find out how to get a ticket. Bus 60? Yeah.
Thank you.
We just got directed into this yellow booth to get our tickets. We got metro passes. We had to spend 300 on two of them. I'm not even sure what that gets us. But she said to Matka Cave and back, so that's good enough for me. Yeah. Number 60, found it. Such a cool bus configuration. Like there's just seats going in like every direction. Like, big fan. So for some reason the bus driver today has decided this is as far as it's going, and we're not even in Dolma Matka. Oh well, just get on with it. Well, this just rubs insult to injury. Literally two big tourist buses on this road that the bus didn't go down.
We are in Matka and we're here to do the Matka Canyon Trail, which we're not sure where that starts yet, but we're just taking in the town, enjoying the view for the moment.
Really lovely here. Like, looks like the river breaks into two here, and it's like very rapid and like a dark greeny blue.
But also really clear when you're close to it.
So if you look up the Matka Canyon Trail, Google takes you right to here, which I'm guessing is like the official / unofficial trailhead, because there's no marker or anything. Like the shops and restaurants just stop and then you are on the path. Like just past the dam wall, there's this part where you can come and you can rent a kayak. For a one-person kayak it's 200 for 30 minutes, or for a two-person it's 300, and for a little bicycle boat yeah, it is 200 for 30 minutes. This walk is absolutely stunning with the gorge and the river and all the nature. There's only one other part of the world that I've been to that sort of reminds me of this, and it is Taroka Gorge National Park in Taiwan. Highly recommend you check that out. I'll put a link to it here or here. If this is up your alley, that will be up your alley too.
I imagine this is what that place in Vietnam would look like. It was stunning.
Ninh Binh?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. Hey, that's a great call. If hiking isn't your thing, I wouldn't let that deter you from coming here. There is plenty of options. There's, as you just saw, boat tours, kayaking tours. Even to just come and have a picnic down by the river where all the restaurants were would be a good idea. So it's kind of turning into a bit of a haunted area. There's like little spider webs all throughout, like up there, mostly on this side, but it's not nice. Especially if you hate spiders and they overhang. Turned into a proper bush trail, this one. Prickly bushes, cobwebs, branches. Look, the path itself is properly maintained, but everything else makes it a little bit uncomfortable. And we were doing some reading last night about what to look out for here, so We're on edge about the, what is it, the horned viper, which is the most venomous snake in Europe. So we are on edge, keeping an eye out for them. Touch wood, we don't see one, hopefully not. We definitely do not want to. Us being Australians, obviously we take poisonous snakes very seriously, and it is scorching hot today and we're down by a water source, so we're thinking that it is not unlikely. Hopefully we don't see one though. Fuck, fingers crossed. Oh my god, how good is this gorge? Whew. Almost an hour in and we can see the end. Very good. Pretty safe. Let's get down there and finish off the one way and then walk all the way back.
Matt has an issue with out and back hikes.
Yeah, so out and back hikes are not...
I'm on edge.
Out and back hikes are not my cup of tea. I much prefer loops, but sometimes it's just the way it is. You're not going to miss out on hiking in this gorgeous part of the world when you're so close to it. Though it has got to a very uncomfortable level of bush. And check out this spider I found. So we're pretty much at the end of the hike now, and what you can see over here is the cave up into the rock of the gorge. And what people do is they either kayak to it or they take a boat to it. Us on this side, on the hike, there's no way that we can get to it unless you want to swim across or, I don't know, try to negotiate a lift.
Bet ya.
Made it.
We made it.
We left the trailhead at 10:30 in the morning and we reached the end at 5 minutes to 12. So it took us about an hour and a half to the end point, but we did stop a lot along the way for photos and whatnot. So yeah, about an hour and a half in, and I'm predicting about an hour 15 back. If you want to go down to the boats, this is the little trail. But we are sticking to our budget traveler mantra and we are walking back. I'm not even sure if they would actually take us, to be fair. This is 100% the best view, I think, of the trek.
Yeah, it's pretty stunning.
Alright guys, over here you can see the end of the hike. So far it's taken us about 45 minutes to get back, and that's another 5 or 10 minutes away. Our GoPro ran out of SD storage, which is annoying. But anyway, we hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel.
See you next time.
The guys down here on the kayak barge, or deck we'll call it, were kind enough to let us jump in just to cool off. Unexpectedly, an ice bar.
Absolutely freezing. I read that it was freezing, but I just assumed people didn't come in summer. But it is freezing. Like, I was in and out within 5 seconds.
Yeah, me too. I think I did 6 seconds.
Yeah, it's cold.
Oh, and we're literally just dry now, pretty much straight out. So yeah, definitely I feel amazing after that, after the hike.
And then putting your feet in, it's amazing.